Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. I'm just here to share a really small haul that I got in the mail today from AliExpress, and I got 3 dies. I got this memory decks. It makes like a envelope or pocket, whatever you want to call it. So this will come up and then this will be the flap and it'll make like an envelope, just like I said. And then I got this fan die. Right here I got the large one and the small one. And my idea for this is that I want to put them both together like this. And so I just thought it would be even more elaborate putting them both together and having it fan out that way. So I will be coming back hopefully soon with a project share on this. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my project that I'm going to be doing with these 2 dies. And subscribe for future videos. Bye guys!